Want the Crypto.com card lowdown? I've got you. This video covers key features and my personal experience. Check the description for product links. The Crypto.com card makes crypto spending easy and rewarding. Its tiered system offers 1% to 8% cashback based on your CRO stake. Regular crypto users can seriously boost their everyday spending benefits. Free ATM withdrawals and no annual fee sweeten the deal. Plus, it supports many currencies, eliminating foreign transaction fees, perfect for travelers. Manage spending, track rewards, and convert crypto to fiat easily within the Crypto.com app. Higher card tiers unlock perks like free Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, airport lounge access, and extra discounts, great for crypto enthusiasts. Security is tight, with instant freeze, real-time notifications, and no private info stored on the card. Cashback is paid instantly in CRO, convertible to other cryptos or fiat within the app. Ideal for those comfortable with staking and maximizing daily rewards. However, without CRO staking, the lower tier benefits are less compelling. Bottom line, the Crypto.com card is solid if you're already into crypto, especially for utilizing CRO perks. The intuitive interface, clear rewards, and added benefits make it a strong contender. Hope this helps you decide.